Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Dr. Mohan MR, Medical Director at Nano Hospitals, bringing you greetings from Nano Hospitals, Bangalore. Nano Hospital has been at the forefront providing excellent health care to all our patients for past 10 years. I would like to brief you about Nano Hospitals and why you should choose us against others. We have been a patient-centric hospital. We always put patient first and always first and every time first. We are striving hard to provide evidence-based personalized care, which is our USP compared to other corporate hospitals, and you would get a caring and healing environment once you visit us. We are a NABH accredited hospital which gives utmost importance to safety of our patients and the quality of services we offer. We strive hard to bring in cutting edge technologies, and we have been in forefront in bringing many technologies. To name a few: hyperbaric oxygen therapy, intervertebral disc decompression, deep dynamic wave therapy, so on. We have been trying to get new cutting edge technologies to serve our people. All our teammates are professionally trained and make you at ease at our hospital. We are constantly assessing ourselves, improving ourselves to improve the patient journey right from the time he thinks of our hospital, right from the time he enters our hospitals, through his entire journey, from the parking, from the reception to the consultation, to the diagnostics, rather procedures, admissions, surgeries, discharge process, post-discharge care, to provide a personalized, compassionate healthcare to all our patients. We believe in a proactive approach. We try to intervene before something happens, before complications happen, before try to foresee and give a proactive care rather than reacting to something which is already happened. And to this testimony, all our patient testimonies are a fact. And with all the patronage of all our patients, previous patients and new patients, we have been venturing into all other areas of Bangalore, and with your blessings, I think we will be able to achieve that feat. To this date, more than 4 lakh patients have got treated out of hospital, and their testimony is a statement of our hospital. And I thank all our patrons. We would like to spread this happiness or spread health to other corners of Bangalore. Patronage and blessings of every one of you. Thank you.